everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So Jackson and I are here today to do a review video. We have not done one of these reviews in quite a long time. We actually had to take a small break right around the time that we were supposed to film our last video for this review company. Beauty got really bad sick and then she passed away. So I asked or requested from them that I take a break just to deal with everything that I needed to deal with my mom. And they were gracious with me, and they've given me kind of a couple months. Beauty passed in September and it's December. So a couple months to not worry about filming this review. But we are back at it, me and Jackson. We are the coffee and tea drinkers in this house. I love coffee, but during the winter months, I really do like tea. Earl Grey is one of my favorite teas. And several months ago, we were approached by a company called Sipsby, and they asked us if we would like to be reviewers for them. We said 100% absolutely. So Jackson and I are here to show you our Sipsby box.
Also, my favorite is Earl Grey as well.
So if you're new around here, hey you guys, how y'all doing? My name's Shakema. I'm a single mom. I have 4 children, 2 girls, 2 boys. This is one fur dog, and we also have a fur grand dog. His name is Acro. So we're going to be reviewing with you the Sipsby box for the month. So this is how this program works. They have a monthly subscription where you get sample teas, and they will send you, they come in a box like this, really cute packaging, love the boxes. And when you open it, you get several things inside. So let's see. Okay. So this is a card that's in here, and this is for a $15 gift card towards your first time sip subscriptions for 1 free month of tea just for you. So this is inside of our box. Here's another one that says share this gift card with a friend who hasn't tried Sipsby. And they'll receive their first box free. So that was in our box as well. So something for you and then something for another person. Then they have, this is always really neat to us. They have this card that comes in here and it says, these are your teas for the month. So this is our box, and I always am impressed by this. So whenever you open the box, it looks like that. So if you were to sit this out on a coffee bar or a tea bar and just put your different teas that you get every month, I always think it makes a great presentation, because I do have a coffee bar and there have been times when I've put my teas out. And so of course I'll probably just cut off these extra arms and legs, but I always like having the Sipsby. So let's see what we got. We have 4 teas to try. We have, what do we have, Jackson?
Organic Wonder
Ayurvedic chai tea. That's a low caffeine tea. Then we have Throat Coat Eucalyptus. That is a caffeine-free tea, which for me is good because sometimes I have adverse reactions to caffeine.
Then we have Breakfast in Paris.
Breakfast in Paris is high caffeine, and that is a stash tea. And it says, sipping this perfect blend of rich black tea, aromatic lavender, and bright bergamot will help you have daydreaming. Will have you daydreaming. And then they have a code for anybody who wants to order just that specific tea. So they send you 4 different teas. And if you want to order one of the teas in more quantity, each of these companies will give you a code for, let me see. The first tea gave you 30% off and it gives you the code. The second tea, Throat Coat by Eucalyptus, that one did not have a code. Breakfast in Paris gives you 10% off with a code. And then the last one is called Upbeat Tea Pig by Sipsby by Tea Pigs. We've had tea by Tea Pigs before. And this is a sachet packet. So you put it in they give you a little, it's a loose tea. This is a loose tea, the Upbeat. And it's medium caffeine. And it also gives you 20% off of a $40 order. So it tells you on here what your percentages off are per tea. So if you want to order just a specific tea, you can. So let's see what we got. We got Organic Wonder Ayurvedic Chai. So let's see what that looks like. What do we think? That's breakfast in Paris. Okay, and they give you 4 of each thing. Think that's it, Jackson? Probably, because that's the other one. Oh, yes. This is the Organic Wonder Ayurvedic Chai Tea. And it also gives you on the bag, if you want to order separately, a 30% off code. And so we're going to open this one. This one was our low caffeine tea. So I'm going to either be into the low caffeine or the caffeine free. I have been able to share some teas with some of my friends that really do like tea. And it's always good. I go to ladies meetings and different things, and I try to share things because I never know. Oh, that smell. Child. Oh, Lord glory. That smells good. I was in the middle of a conversation and I had to stop. As soon as you open the bag, it has one of those seal bags. But as soon as you open this bag, y'all, this situation just hits you like, okay, I see you. Like, I really see you. Y'all, I wish you had smell-o-vision because this is a really... Smell it, Jack. It has like cinnamon. It's that chai. It's really good. It has organic Brazilian mate, half fermented Formosa, oolong, green rhaobius, cinnamon pieces, ginger pieces, pineapple cubes, pineapple sugar, papaya cubes, papaya, chicory root, orange peel, lemongrass, cardamom pods, coriander, plain almonds, small brown rock sugar. So everything is inside. All those things I just read off are inside of this little sachet packet. And of course, you just steep this in water for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just let it steep. 8 ounces of water. It says steep 2 to 4 minutes. So it gives you the steep directions on here as well. But it smells good. Now, because there is some sugar in this probably is not keto friendly. But I don't think that this little bit would do anything to throw you out of ketosis if you just had 1 bag. But this would be a lovely gift for me to give to someone. And of course, the kids and I are doing hot chocolate bar. We're doing a cocoa bar. And we may even do a tea bar now that we have some tea bags. So we're giving those as gifts to our friends. So one is getting hot chocolate. One is getting a thing for coffee to make their own hot chocolate bar, their own coffee bar. And we may do a tea bar. So we'll see. We'll see what we think about this. That smells good to me. Mm-hmm. If I wasn't concerned about the sugar, the rock sugar, I think it would be okay. But you can see, I love being able to see all the little pieces in there. Everything in there, you can just look right through and see it. And it just smells really good. That's my fave so far. Okay, Jack, what do you have?
Okay, we have number 2, Throat Coat Eucalyptus.
Which will be good for Jackson because right now he is battling some kind of cold. We think it's just a change of the weather. On Tuesday it was 78 and today is 25. I mean, it's just really cold. Probably not quite that cold, but it's cold. So, what's in that one, Jack?
Let's see. It has organic eucalyptus leaf, organic licorice root, organic spearmint leaf, organic marshmallow root, organic slippery elm, organic licorice root, dry aqueous.
Extract.
Little tip. To enjoy, pour 8 ounces freshly boiled water over 1 tea bag. Cover cup and steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Squeeze tea bag. Enjoy 1 through 3 cups per day, especially good with honey.
So this says that this is a unique blend, taps into the enduring powers of Native Americans and Australian Aboriginal herbal medicine to create an arsenal of support for both the throat and the chest. Now, Jackson's dealing with the throat. Mom is dealing with the chest. This is a caffeine-free tea, which will help me. At work, I have drink regular calf coffee, and at home I drink decaf. And I already know that calf bothers me, but it's just what I have at work. So let's see. Oh, that smells nice. I can smell the licorice in there, but I also smell the spearmint. Yeah. I love any type of a minty tea. So, of course, this is just in a regular tea bag, and it's ground up together, where the first tea were the loose pieces in there. So, I love that. We might have to have some of this, Jackson. What you think?
I don't know. I think the first one.
The first one better? I like this one. But this is what this one looks like. So, they give you 4 of each to try. So, we got 4 of these. Of course, we open this one. So 4 of those. And then it also in this bag, there's 4 of these in there.
This is Spanish.
It might be. Yes. The next one we have is Breakfast in Paris by Stash Teas. We like the packaging on this one too. I always like their packaging because everything comes in a different package because they're all by different companies. So this one is by Stash Teas. That last one was by Traditional Medicinals. And the first tea was by Telira. Telira was the first tea. So this is a different company. So this is called Breakfast in Paris. It's one bag for 8 ounces of water, steep 3 to 5 minutes. This is a high caffeine tea. This has the black tea, the aromatic lavender, the bergamot. And I love bergamot. I don't really care what it is in. I just love it, love it, love it. So we're going to open up this one. This is a high caffeine tea. Oh, Jackson, smell that. That smells amazing. This tea right here smells good. I don't know what it tastes like because I haven't tasted it yet. But I think all their teas so far that we have ever gotten have been so flavorful. Like this will open up your nose. That smells amazing. And it is a breakfast tea. So I love this one. Can't wait to try that. I didn't read anything in there that I thought would knock me out of ketosis at all. So we're going to give that one a whirl. And then the last tea we have, this one came in 2 boxes. So let's see.
This one is
this
Upbeat Vitality Tea.
Vitality tea. And there are 2 each in the box. So we got 2 of these. See, the packaging is so different. These are actual like little boxes versus the bags. Then you had the, this one. So they're all so different and unique. That's, I think, what makes this company neat. And you can try the teas. And if you like them, then you can order additional teas in whatever flavor was your fave. If there's something that you don't like, what I have done, not that I haven't liked teas, but I have just gifted it to friends that I know drink tea. I'm like, hey, you want to try these? Or I've had a tea sipping party where people just come over and sip the different teas. So we had a ladies meeting not very long ago, and I was able to share some of the teas with the ladies because I just thought it was a good thing to do. So we're going to open this one. Oh, I hate ripping my little bag, my little box. But, okay, let's see. So here's the inside package, and there's 2 tea bags in here. So this is wrapped inside of a bag to keep the box from damaging the teas. These are not ground, so they're like the first bag of teas, right? In that sachet packet, but you get to see all of the ingredients in that one as well. Oh, that smells good too. Smells a little spicy. A little spicy. You can see, let's see what was in that one, Jackson. This one had beets, spice, hibiscus. It says, gives you a natural pick-me-up with a fruity and punchy taste. Sustainably packaged with compostable tea temples and recyclable cardboard. There is a 20% off with a $40 purchase from this particular company, but I can smell the fruitiness of it. This is probably not my favorite smelling one from all the ones we got in the boxes today. Ma'am wants to try some tea as well. So there it is. But anyway, you guys, there it is. This is going to be our tea box for the month. Smells good. I think that's the throat coat, Jack. What you think?
I think so too.
You want to try that one? Yeah, I think that one is. We're going to let Jackson try this one because he is not feeling the best. So he will, no, I'm good. I'll try it with you. I'll try it together. We can try it together. Well, let's not try it in the same cup because you got a thing.
I don't like minty teas.
Oh, that's not the one you like? Oh, that's the one I like. Well, Mom will try it. So, anywho, there's going to be a link down in the description box below. If you want to try our teas or try sipsby, you can use our link. It would just be a great Christmas gift. A lot of times people are doing subscriptions if you want to just gift somebody for a month or you want to try it and share it around with some of your friends. We think you would enjoy it. We do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. Thank you so much for being a part of this family and all the crazy things that we have going on over here. We do appreciate you so much. And we just want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time. Bye now.